Let's discuss pest control. Animals and insects of all kinds are naturally attracted to food for survival. Not only can they get into commercial supplies to consume food, but insects, rodents, and other pests can also be vectors for disease. Their presence and activities in a food establishment can compromise food safety. Having a management system in place focused on exclusion, identification, and elimination of pests and the conditions that attract them to establishments will help to control the food safety risks associated with insects, rodents, and other pests. Conduct regular inspections of the premises to identify any possible entry points, then follow up with measures that will effectively exclude pests from the establishment, such as blocking off any holes that provide access using foam or other approved materials. Any openings half-inch or larger will give access to rats, while openings quarter-inch or larger will admit mice. Any doors or windows that are unscreened or do not securely close can also be potential access points for any type of pest. Ensure that all equipment is installed in a manner that is accessible for monitoring pest activity as well. For example, raising equipment off the ground and locating it slightly away from the wall will allow food establishment employees to better see any possible pest activity around the equipment. Insects can often enter a facility already traveling on fresh fruits, vegetables, or grains that come in from the fields. So, routinely inspect incoming shipments of food and supplies for evidence of pest presence. Other insects, like flies, breed in garbage, human, or animal waste, so tight management of facility waste can prevent these pests from quickly overpopulating. It's important that you eliminate any conditions that could attract or harbor pests. This includes employing regular, effective cleaning and sanitation methods, eliminating excessive food waste, keeping food stored in secure, pest-proof containers or locations, removing garbage regularly from the facility, ensuring that garbage containers have tight-fitting lids, eliminating possible sheltering area for pests, and preventing water from pooling both within and outside of the facility. If evidence of pest activity is discovered within the facility, work with a licensed pest control operator to manage the situation depending on the severity or the amount of time that you are able to dedicate to the operation on your own. It's important to only use covered trapping devices, bait, and pesticides that are approved for use in food establishments by the Department of Environmental Conservation to effectively control and eliminate pests once you understand their behaviors and access points. In addition, different types of light devices can be effective for controlling insect activity in the facility. Promptly remove any trapped pests or their remains from control devices to avoid attracting other pests to the establishment.